Welcome to Blockchain Basics, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a Rabby wallet. So let's get into it. So to install Rabby wallet, first you need to head over to rabby.io, which is their main website. So make sure that you don't fall for any scam website. There are many scam websites. So make sure you recheck it that it is rabby.io. So I will also leave a link in the description below, which will be easier for you. Just click on the link below and it will take you to a page like this. So this is Rabby Wallet's original page. Now once you are over here, you need to click on this button that you see over here, which says download for Chrome. Now once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page. Now once you are over here, click on this button that says add to Chrome. And then you'll have a pop-up like this. Click on add extension. Now when you wait for a few minutes, it will get added, and here you can see it has been added over here. Now once Rabby wallet is added, click on the icon, click on next over here, click on get started, and once you enter this page, click on the first option that you see over here, create new seed phrase. Now once you click on that, you need to enter a password. So I'll just enter a random password and then reconfirm the password, and then click on next. And then once you click on next, you will be redirected to this page. Now click on seed phrases. So make sure you read all this and don't share the seed phrase with anyone. Make sure you write it down on a piece of paper. Do not take screenshot of this. Do not take it as a photo on your phone or add it in Google Drive. Just write it down on a piece of paper and just keep it somewhere where it doesn't get lost. So you always need this seed phrase to enter back into the same wallet. If you lose the seed phrase, you won't get access to the same wallet again. So make sure you write it down and then click on this. So click on this and then you will get to see the seed phrase. So make sure you write it down on a piece of paper. Make sure you don't take photos or store it on the internet. So once you have written down the seed phrase, click on I have saved the phrase. Once you've clicked on it, you'll have a list of wallets over here which you can activate. So I will activate this one wallet address, which is the first one, and click on done. Now that is how you create a Rabby wallet. You can click on the icon over here and then see that your wallet has been created. Now to receive funds, you can click on this receive and you can select the chains on which chain you want to receive your funds. So that is how you create a Rabby wallet. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also stay tuned for more videos like this.